Hello viewers and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We continue to take a look on what's happening in the nation Zimbabwe. And there is a very sad story which we need to take a look upon right here. Our hospitals are now a death trap. Somebody goes to the hospital anticipating that they are going to be treated, anticipating that they will get treatment. But when they get there, they will never get the much needed help. Right, Comrade Set Free right here says something which is very important. He says, I know most of you will ignore this post, but I will say it. Do you see the state of healthcare services in Zimbabwe? No one is doing anything to help you. Your government is busy with the grandstanding and build expensive villas for a 3-day summit to impress SADC heads of states. But look at how people are struggling to get services in hospitals. Problem I have with Zimbabweans is they only speak out in protest after they have come face to face with these situations. But when we speak about these issues, no one supports us. No one thinks it's serious until it impacts them. Zimbabweans, we need to speak out for improved healthcare delivery. The money is there to pay nurses and doctors. The money is there to renovate and re-equip hospitals and clinics. When you see people spend millions on a non-essential project like the GOAT scheme, then you know the money is there. Our government needs to hear us all screaming about the healthcare. We need to protest their neglect of a critical sector and the right to access to health. Why are we silent? Why are we quiet? This cannot go on and we remain silent. When will we accept that enough is enough? So if we take a look onto this post, this is a post which was posted, I think, on Jackie Ngarande's page. And this is what Set Free is responding to. He says, Hi Sisi Jackie, my sister was admitted in Mnangagwa Hospital. That place yaipa. Here she is overdue. So I ended from local clinic. Hanzi vanhu varikuzvarisa vega mutoilet. Vamwe mukorido akuna ari kuvatarisa kuleba. Kuleba ward akusina rudo. Vanhu vanoshandako hameno kuwandirwa here or what, but ndarwadziwa. Shuwa munhu anosvika pakuzvizvarisa ega pahospital panana nyamukuta ndizvo here maZimbabweans. When you take a look onto this thing, guys, this is the reason why I always say, kana usati warwarirwa ukaenda paParirenyatwa, you will never understand these things. Kana usati warwarirwa ukaenda paParirenyatwa, you will never understand these things. You think kuti tiri kujoka. When we speak on daily basis right here about human rights, about health services which are down, about the education system which is down, people believe that we are here to joke. But no, we are not here to joke. We are here because there is a serious issue at hand. Our people are suffering. The suffering masses of Zimbabwe must be liberated. How do we liberate ourselves? By uniting, sending a same message to this regime to say enough is enough. Jakwan, that is the only message they understand. But as long as our people are ignoring very important issues, then nobody cares. If you take a look in terms of how our people maneuver social media, they like social issues more than what matters. They say, we don't do politics, this, that, but the day you go there is the day you are going to suffer. You will be alone. Uchafirwa nemwana uri one. Uchafirwa nemukadzi uri one. Uchafirwa naamai vako uri one. So this thing Zimbabwe, it's not about anybody. It's about Zimbabweans. It's about you and me. It's about us uniting, working together, make sure that we deliver change. We are doing this so that we make our people understand real issues, important issues. This is the reason why we are investing more of our time to fight criminality happening in Harare. Team Zimbabwe, let us unite against this criminality. We cannot continue to have our people die. I have experienced Parirenyatwa. I have been there. I know what I'm talking about. I have been there at these hospitals. I know what I'm talking about. I know what I'm talking about. Guys, let us fight for change. The day rauchatsvaga ambulance at 2 a.m. ugoishaya. Ugofonera vakomana vetex vagokuchaja $50 yausina. That day is the day you are going to hate Emerson Mnangagwa forever and ever. And you understand the reason why we are always speaking and we are always raising concerns. Paucharwarirwa nekenza, hama yangu, uchapinda njada. So Team Zimbabwe, let us unite as one people, as a nation, fight corruption, fight looting. mari iriko munyika, but they just don't want to make sure that it goes to assist our people. It is what it is. We continue to watch and say, but to say the truth as it is always.